Guys, look at the takedown. Look, guys. Oh my God. Oh, that was a big one. Oh, the line came all the way out.
This is for the fathers around the globe. We love you more than you'll ever know. For the strength you gave me, you're truly amazing. Happy Father's Day. Place you on the highest pedestal. We love you more than you'll ever know. You chose to man up, you chose to stand up. Happy Father's Day. From my first breath to my first steps, Pops, you took me under your wing.
Good morning, anglers. This is Anglers 48 coming to you from Hidalgo County, Texas. Thank you for joining us, guys, on this adventure. What's in store? We're doing some freshwater fishing. We're gonna do some fishing right now and later this afternoon at a different spot. No partner in crime Tony, no Captain Roy, flying solo once again. Beautiful morning. I got a late start, so we gotta go, guys. Let's go get them here in Hidalgo County. You ready? Let's go. Fish on, boys. We have our first fish. Yes! Our first fish of the day. Guys, we just got here. First fish of the day. Look at that, guys. Nice. We're doing some cowboy fishing here in Hidalgo County. Enjoying this spring break time. Look at that. No Captain Tony, no Captain Roy. We're gonna do some fishing right now and later today. Some more fishing at a different spot. Let's go, guys. Nice takedown. Nice, guys. Fish on, guys. Fish on here in Texas. Beautiful catfish right there, man. Nice. Using chicken liver and cut hot dogs. Flying solo. We're in the hunt, guys. We're in the hunt. Here, you may catch something nice, something big, but it's a rarity. So, good takedown. Let's continue, guys, here in Hidalgo County. John, boys, fish on here in Hidalgo County, guys. Let's go. Double up, guys. We have a double up, boys. A double up. And it got away, man. Ah. But you saw it, guys. Double ups here in Hidalgo County. Let's get to work, guys. Captain Tony, he's going to be joining us on Saturday. So for some massive end of the week spring break. Let's go. Fish on. Alright, guys, they're getting smaller, boys. They're getting smaller. They're going the wrong way. No, but nonetheless, guys, we're having fun. We're having fun. We're out here doing what we love. It's not a Texas-sized catfish, but we'll take it, guys. It's on the board. Let's go, guys, here in Hidalgo County. We're gonna be doing some more fishing, so keep watching. Fish up. Nice, guys. Nice. Look at this one, guys. This one got a good hook set. Earlier right now, I lost a good size one, man. Lost it. But we're doing good, guys. We're doing good. Beautiful morning. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Flying solo here in deep South Texas. If you haven't followed me on Facebook, help anglers out. Follow me. Let's talk fishing. Show off your fish. We would like to hear your story, guys. Check out my YouTube channel, Anglers48 Fishing Addict, right? Go ahead and subscribe if you like what you see. Let's go, guys.